This is Mukesh Kataria here. Just quick short messages for all of you. I think 2020 was a difficult year for all of us. Everybody got impacted socially and few of them got impacted both physically as well as economically. And I think as we step into the new year 2021, I have lots of hope and I wish the year would be much better than what it would have transitioned from 2019, 2020 to 2021. So we'll see a bounce back from 2019 to 2021. I have 3H wishes for you. First, a lot of hope of good things happening for all of you. H2, which is good health. And the last is lots of happiness. Wishing you a happy new year.
Welcome back to the channel, friends. Wish you all a very happy new year 2021.
Hi friends, wish you all a very happy new year. As you all know, the vaccine is just around the corner and we all are very eagerly waiting for the day when we can lead the pre-corona life once again. Wish you all the very best. Thank you.
Last year in this very period I had released this particular video which is about. But this year I am not going to release any such video with any kind of predictions, because whatever I mentioned in the video, which you can maybe perhaps again visit and see, turned out to be very different kind of a year. So I am not going to risk saying anything in this year, but I hope for the best. I hope that your life becomes not only normalized, but you lead a much better life than ever before is my wish to you. And let us hear out from various other people about what are their messages for us for this new year.
2020 has shown us that the smallest of things can shake the entire world. 2020 has taught us to value the most insignificant things. For me, I feel that the year 2021 will be freedom, faith, hope and positivity. I want to live every moment of life filled with love, care and lots of happiness. Thank you.
Hi, since the year 2000, the millennium year, we've been told that there will be lots of destruction and the world will come to an end. Well, now it's 2020, the destruction has been done and the world has still not yet come to an end. Year 2021 is an ascending year for us, so let's not get discouraged by the troubles in our life. Trouble is not going to defeat you, but it will only prepare you for the battle ahead. Let's all try to spread happiness all around, be positive in attitude, and be the light for others. Love one another, just like God loves us. Let's rock 2021.
Everyone, the most eagerly awaited change that everyone is waiting for. This year has been a very humbling experience for everyone, and we hope that New Year brings new beginning, new hope, and the humility for the entire mankind.
I would like to forget this year completely, and I hope this world pandemic doesn't ever comes into our mind, and wish everybody is safe and healthy, and in times to come should be taking care of family and themselves.
This year has been a very tumultuous one, but as the famous quote goes, celebrate endings for they precede new beginnings.
Hello friends, as we know 2020 has been a sorrowful and it's been a roller coaster ride for all of us. But as we know that every cloud has a silver lining.
Yeah, so basically we all need to be with high spirit, positive thoughts, and gratitude is what is going to be the key to the success of the soul for each one of us. And I really wish that we all of us see that every Monday of our week is as good as our Fridays, cheerful, happy and waiting for the same. And I wish everybody really inculcates gratitude, which is going to be the key to success for each life. Happy New Year to all of us.
Hello everyone. Happy New Year to all the viewers of Unlimited Universe for you. Another year has passed by with good and bad memories. The bad memories of the pandemic where many people lost their loved ones. But on the bright side, family bonds became stronger and we realized we really don't need too many things to live them. That said, let's enter this new year with high hopes, strong trust and unfaltering faith. Happy New Year once again.
Hi all. Even best of the experts from varied fields failed to predict how 2020 would be. However, we have sailed through the pandemic with various lessons to learn while we enter into the new year. In 2021, we will be more wiser and adaptive to the inevitable changes around us. Hygiene will be of utmost importance. People will be more caring and supportive towards mankind. Online learning will become the norm with no boundaries. So as this new year approaches, find inspiration around you and motivation within you. Wish you a very happy new year.